Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Angel Liz. Today, you guys, we are in the kitchen and we are going to be making birria tacos. So let's get into it.
When you come and find me, boy, find me, think I give you tight too, boy.
Okay, so I am now steeping my peppers. These are my Pasilla peppers, chili de ancho is what it said on the package. And then I have some Guajillo chili pods that I'm going to be steeping. Let me turn this down. But I'm doing these because I am making birria. This is my second time making birria tacos. The first time I did it, I didn't do a video because I wasn't confident in myself. Even though they were really good, I just wasn't sure. But I'm going to go ahead and get my chili steeped and my sauce mixed up, and I'll be back. You guys, so this is the meat that I have. I'm using a chuck roast, a boneless chuck roast. And as you can see, it has some nice fat in it, so the meat should be nice and juicy. This has actually been marinating overnight. I'm just browning it up a little bit. And here I have a couple pieces of chuck steak that I also got that I'm going to throw in. So I'm going to go and I'm going to throw this in the crock pot, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I have my meat in the crock pot, and I have my crock pot on high. Now, you guys, I've said this before in other videos, but my crock pot is really old, and this thing still works great. It's about 20 years old almost. No, what? It's like 18, 19 years old. This was actually given to me by someone that I used to work with years ago. She had got 2 of them for as a wedding gift, and she gave me one of them because she's like, I don't need 2. So anyways, so the seasonings that I added. Now, what's in here with the meat? I have some bay leaves in there, black pepper, a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of salt. I have about a teaspoon of paprika, a tablespoon of chili powder, tablespoon of cumin. I have a teaspoon, half a teaspoon of beef bouillon because I didn't want to make it too salty. And I have some cinnamon. I used about a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon in here. And I have a couple of bay leaves, teaspoon of thyme, and about a teaspoon of ground oregano powder. And this is my pepper mixture. I use the Pasilla peppers and Guajillo chilies, and I used a small can of chilies in Adobo in here, and that was all mixed up and strained so that I could get the seeds out. And so this is going to cook on high for about 6 hours. The reason I put it on high is because my crock pot is old and it seems to work better on high these days. So, and I am going to invest in another one, but I will be back to show you guys once the meat is done how I shred it up and make my consomme and my birria tacos. Okay, you guys, so here is my finished beef. I have shredded it up pretty much for the most part. I might shred it a little more. This is my consomme. Or consomme. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, and please don't come for me, y'all. I don't know. Sometimes you hear somebody say something, but you just don't always remember how you're supposed to say it. But this is the meat, and that's the soup. I believe that's what consomme means. But anyways, I'll look it up so next time I say it right. So I'm going to go ahead and start forming the tacos, and I will be back to show you the finished tacos. All right, you guys, here are my finished tacos. Some of them got a little darker than I wanted to, but that's okay. I don't have a griddle, so I'm using my Cuisinart non-stick skillet. So some of them got a little darker. Hope that didn't make you guys dizzy. But you guys, please give this video a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell to be notified. Drop me a comment and let me know how you do your birria tacos. And let me know if you have a video. I don't think you can put the link in the comment section, but just let me know and I'll go watch it. But again, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.